We are having an advantage. East coast, 1053 kilometers sea coast. Already we are having 6 existing ports. 4 new airports are coming. Every 50 kilometers, we are going to have one port hub and spoke model. And we are going to have 15 to 20 airports within an hour. We have to reach airport. We are having strong air base as on today. Visakhapatnam new airport is coming. By August, we are going to start that airport, international airport. And Vijayawada, one more airport, Rajahmundry, Tirupati. Like that, so many airports are there. Further, we are building airports. Roads, one of the best roads in Andhra Pradesh, national highways. Even rail cargo also we are connecting. Inland waterways, we are building in a big way. Ultimately, logistics cost will be the lowest in Andhra Pradesh. It will be a gateway for India to export from East Coast. This is going to happen in the near future.